Hey you guys, good morning. I see a lot of you are on here doing your work. You're such good kids. I hope that you're outside playing sometimes and enjoying life. The Google Hangout this morning was pretty good. We got a lot of questions answered, and everybody told me like it's way too much work. So I started deleting things off the weekly sheet. I'm going to start attaching the weekly sheet here at the bottom. There really isn't any such thing as homework because it's all homework now. So anyways, chill out, relax a little bit. Let me know if there's a problem with any of the assignments because I'm still trying to figure all this stuff out just like you guys are. Excuse me. Anyways, here is your Cell WebQuest. And the way that I designed this was that it was supposed to take you guys about 3 days. And I thought the first day would be a good quick review today of prokaryotes versus eukaryotes. You're going to go to cellsalive.com, which is this great interactive website. They have tons of information here. Check out the bacteria cells. Look at the Explorer. Whoops. In any case, whoa, I don't know what happened there. But there's tons of information on the cell models. And then there's 3D animations. There's all kinds of interesting things here. So check it out. I also put in your textbook pages. So this is a little bit easier to read, more your grade level. And this was what I used to make your notes. So what you're going to do today is you're going to read through that and you're hunting down the cell organelles. So organelles just means tiny organs, and that's what's inside the cells, all the little parts inside that make them work. Just like you have a brain, the cell has a nucleus. Just like you have a heart or other major organs that do jobs for you, the cell has these organelles. What are their functions? What are their jobs? So I gave you some clues, and then you have to fill in the name of the cell part. Sometimes you have to fill in what their jobs are, and then you have to tell me if it's plant, animal, or both. So you can just type in a P for plant, an A for animal, or a B for both. And then the diagrams that are available as well. If you guys want to, if you cannot print and you need to copy or draw a plant cell, you can just draw what you're seeing here and label the organelles. It really will help you to learn. If you have to look at it and then has to come out on your hand on the paper, check that out. Draw the plant cell, draw the animal cell. There's a web code here if you want to go to Prentice Hall School and do the interactive version. That's available for you as well. If you're making the cell model, there's directions right here on the side of the page. And everything that you guys are learning this week is in this chapter. So this is what we want you guys to understand about cells. If you've already learned this in 6th grade, this should be a quick, easy review for you. If this is new, then plan on spending a little more time doing some studying, but you should be able to fill in right here, ribosomes. They make proteins. They're found in both types of cells. And that's your goal for today. Tomorrow, you want to spend some time doing a little bit more analysis. And then on Thursday, you're going to insert a screenshot of your diagrams, of your plant and animal cell diagrams. And again, if you were able to draw those pictures, great. Take a picture, stick it in there, and turn it in. I gave you guys an exit ticket yesterday, and it looks like I only got about 1/3 of my students responding. So make sure that you go ahead and do that. That's a graded couple of points here, just to make sure you understand the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Remember, you are a eukaryote. You do have a nucleus. Prokaryotes, like bacteria, their DNA is loose in the cell. Looks like most of the people who responded got that. Every living thing's made of cells. It's what you're a bunch of squishy water balloons. So you got to take good care of yourself. Remember that you're fragile. All right. What else is going on? Grades. We talked about this morning for grading. What we're thinking is that you know, do the best you can. I'm not going to ding points off of anybody for turning in anything late. We're all doing the best we can to stay healthy and get through things. So if it's too much work for you, please let me know. At the end of this week, what Mr. Hoskins and I have worked out is that you guys will turn in a slideshow and put pictures of your notebook pages here. We'll pick which page numbers we want to see, which assignments we want to see, and then I'll probably ask you to do something like pick your favorite assignment that you think is your best work or that you're most proud of, and give you an opportunity to add some slides of any extra credit assignments that you've been doing. Put in your screenshot of your hand sanitizer, things like that, to make sure that you get those extra points for going beyond what's required. All right. Again, it's really important that you guys take care of yourselves. I understand that the weekly sheet was a little overwhelming this week. Thanks for everybody who joined the Hangout and gave me some good feedback. I'm hoping to make some adjustments, and thanks for giving me a heads up on what's working and what's not working for you. Again, if you are looking at the weekly sheet, keep in mind it's a living document. I'm going to, add or delete things as you guys need to see what's going on. So I did make some changes to that. I don't know where, there it is. I deleted a bunch after our discussion this morning. Just a reminder, the WebQuest is the majority of what you're supposed to be doing this week. A little bit each day. Brain pop video tomorrow on DNA. It should help you to understand the Cell WebQuest, and a little bit on mitochondria and chloroplasts, and a video on photosynthesis, again, to help you with the WebQuest. That is your major assignment this week. And then we'll turn in the notebooks on Friday. I deleted the Friday quiz. The flow chart is going to be your quiz, basically. All right. Do your best. Any problems, send me an email. I opened up some of the comments, so if there's technical difficulties with anything, just write a comment or send me an email if you're having problems, and we'll make adjustments. But manage your expectations. We just want you guys to do the best you can. If anybody's having a hard time, please reach out, whether it's to me or to other friends in your class. It looks like we got a lot of people that are working on it. Just let me know. If there's something that's not working for you, we'll try to find the solution. But make sure you go out and play. It's a beautiful day. Take good care of yourselves and make sure you get plenty of rest. All right. Adios.